Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi that's missing from settings or it's not showing. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for most desktop computers, listen closely, most of our computers or desktop computers doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi. So if you don't have a built-in Wi-Fi, all you got to do is just buy, a Wi-Fi dongle, just like this one right here, okay? Buy it, plug it into your computer, and after that, you'll receive Wi-Fi. Now, if you don't want to buy it, well, go ahead and use a LAN or Ethernet cable. This one right here, directly connected to your router or modem, and then to your computer. And then after that, you'll be having access to the internet. Okay, let's say you already have a built-in Wi-Fi, but it's not working. So what you'll do is just close this one. Right-click on your Start menu and click on Device Manager. Find a network right here or network adapters, okay? And just go ahead and find your network adapter. Right click on it and click on Update. Now click on Browse and let me pick. Select the ones that is similar to the name and then click on Next. Wait a bit and it will go out, okay? So all you got to do is just click on Close. It refreshes your internet connection right here. So close this one. If that still won't work, type down Reset Network or Network Reset. Okay, so click on this option right here and then click on Reset Now. Click on Yes and just wait a bit. You'll be sent out. Just click on Close, Close. Now you'll need to restart your computer for this. And then after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Wi-Fi that's missing from settings. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.